Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. Bobby is renting the service of a clown for his daughter's birthday party. Bobby has a 30% discount coupon. How much will Bobby pay if the clown's usual fee is $350? So we have highlighted our important information, which is the first part. We either need to circle, underline, or highlight somehow, make that more presentable. And then we're going to box in our question. How much will Bobby pay if the clown's usual fee is $350? So we want to know how much will Bobby pay. So this is a percent problem. There is a 30% discount. So we are going to set up a percent bar. So in our percent bar, we start with 0%. And the bar goes all the way to 100%, which would be the whole entire price. So the whole entire price, or the 100% of the cost that the clown would charge, is $350. And if we would pay 0%, or we didn't hire the clown, then we would pay $0. But here, Bobby has a discount coupon, and that discount coupon is for 30%. So we're going to mark it. It's going to be about right here. And so that means that we're trying to figure out the amount of money that's from 0 to that, because that's going to be our discount. So that is our coupon discount. So notice that if we get a discount, this amount is what we're going to save, or we're going to take off from the price. So what's left is what we actually have to pay. So the amount that we pay is going to be less by 30%. Another way we can look at it is that if we're not going to pay, because this amount is what we are not going to have to pay, because it's going to be a discount, then the amount that we're going to pay is this amount. So if we're not going to pay 30%, from 30 to 100, there is 70%. So what we are going to pay is 70%. Okay, that's just another way to look at it. So you could actually set up your proportion that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use what I already have in my percent box and use it to set up my proportion. So what I know is that $350 would be the price if I had to pay 100% of the price. But I'm going to get a discount of 30%. So we want to figure out what that discount would be. So let's set up that proportion. X over 30. X over 30 is equal to 350 over 100. Let's use our cross products. 30 times 350. So I'm going to multiply that here. 350 times 30 is 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times 0, 5 times 0, 3 times 0. And then we are done with the 0, so we can use a placeholder. 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. We're going to carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 more is 10. And so we have 10,500 is equal to x times 100 is 100x. Let's rewrite that since we have room where we got that from. We're trying to isolate x, so we also have to divide by 100. So 100 divided by 100 is 1, so we get 1x, and so our x is isolated. And when we multiply 30 times 350, we got 10,500. And we still have to divide by 100. So an easy way to do this is to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 100, which would eliminate these two zeros. So we have 105 divided by 1. So x equals 105. Now let's label this. That's right here is $105. So up to here. So the discount amount is $105. That is the amount we get to save. We can label it like that. Our discount or our savings. So let's look at our question again. It says, how much will Bobby pay if the clown's usual fee is $350? They didn't ask how much will Bobby save or how much will Bobby's discount be. Had they asked that question, then we would have our answer. But what they're asking us is this part right here. How much will he pay? So we know he's not going to pay $105 of the full price. Or in other words, he's going to pay $105 less than the usual full price. So that means, as you can see, the amount that he pays plus 105 is equal to 350. So we're going to subtract the full amount, 350, minus the discount that he gets from 30%, which is $105, and that will give us the amount he has to pay. So 4 minus 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the amount left to pay is $245. So once again, let's take a look. 105 is the discount. 245 is how much he still has to pay. Remember, we put those together, it should equal 350. So 1 plus 2 is 300, and 45 plus 5 is 50. So that makes sense. So how much will Bobby pay? He will pay $245, which is 30% less in percentage, but $105 less in dollar amount. And so he is paying 70% of the price, which is $245.